medyo nagiging real na yung usapan
Oh.
natin.
I could go on for
real na
hours.
talaga. Diba? We're not complaining. Pero eto, gusto nating balikan yung about sa pagiging, in showbiz mo and, having this relationship with celebrities and then asking them about their lives.
Let me qualify that. Working relationship.
Working relationships ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw baka relationships.
Working relationship.
Just to be clear.
Just to be clear.
The clarity of the
Tapos na
word.
tayo sa romantic relationship.
Oo,
Yes.
sa romantic relationships. Pero eto, may mga artista na pumipili talaga ng mga reporters to
Yes.
be at their events, to be at their and minsan hindi ka na-invite, minsan hindi ka nila pinagkakatiwalaan, and so on. How do you take that? Ba?
I respect that. Kasi most of the time, if not all the time, ako yung gusto nila.
Confidence! Totoo yun. If you know, you know.
Kasi it's like,
Ganito.
I get the call
Love
first,
that.
and like, can you come to my event, or can you do the
Her.
interview? And I'm like, I'm on leave that day. And then somebody gets it. No?
Yeah.
Parang ganon. No? So, pero, yeah, to answer your question, kidding aside, yeah, I respect that. Kasi naniniwala naman ako talaga. Like, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba, ang artista, dapat may relationship ka sa kanila.
Yeah.
And hindi yung basta yung nandyan ka lang pagkailangan mo sila for an interview.
Yeah.
So, dapat may naiaambag ka rin sa buhay nila of some sort.
Yeah.
So, that way kasi, magtitiwala sila sa'yo. And you get invited, and you be given the privilege of the interview because of that relationship.
The rapport.
And I so respect that. Kasi, hindi naman 100% of the time ako yung sa akin gusto magpa-interview eh. Parating, nauna si ganito. Or ano. And I respect that kasi it's your choice. Naniniwala ako eh. Kasi that's how you want your narrative to go. To,
Yeah.
Kasi si Nelson yung gusto ko kasi siya eh. Malalim siya magtanong or mababaw siyang magtanong. So, may ganun eh. And whatever suits your needs, go for that.
Yeah. True naman talaga. Huwag mong ipilit.
May pilit. Parang pag hindi ikaw yung
Diba?
nag-interview, parang mo na, parang katapusan na ng
Katapusan
buhay
na.
mo.
Ang dami pang pwedeng interview.
Parang magkikita pa rin naman tayo, di ba?
Oo.
Susumbatan pa rin naman kita after.
True.
Was there ever, can you think of one moment or time period where you realized na this is not just a job to you, this is a responsibility?
Oh, yes. All the time. All the time. Ever since nung bago ako, ang feeling ko it's a job to report, ganyan, to do reporting. And then I realized ang daming nakadikit doon sa na responsibility sa ginagawa ko. One is bringing out the truth. Kasi 'di ba, labanan mo yung fake news. And if I can share a story, during the pandemic, I was able to scroll yung mga messages sa akin na hindi ko binabasa because hindi ko sila friend. And ang dami kong nabasa na OFWs who messaged me saying na, I don't watch the hard news anymore kasi it's depressing enough. I only
Yeah.
wait for your news.
Oh.
So, me being a son of an OFW, naramdaman ko yun. And it's parang marami pa palang nakadikit na responsibility sa ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
And after that, nag-evolve yung tingin ko sa trabaho ko. Naging deeper yung meaning ng ginagawa ko. That's why whenever I do interviews now, whenever I go out for an interview, it's always intentional. And I always have people in mind. Yun, katulad nga niyan. How would I entertain? How I would inspire? So, yun parate.
Yeah. I think parallel yun nung experience naman ni Chef Miggy with was it a teacher? The woman who
Yeah.
cried
Who
from
cried.
your food?
Yes.
Remembering memories from the past,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Totoo.
yun.
Pero ito, Sir Nelson, para sa fantasy ng mga lahat, if ever makaka-name kayo ng artist in terms of work ethic, sino yon sa mga nakatrabaho mo or na-interview mo sa
Mga
artista?
artista.
Ang dami. Like parang, oh my gosh, work ethics.
Top 3.
Top 3, yan.
Top
Ganda.
three.
I would
Top
say,
3.
I would say Marian Alden, Barbie Fortesa.
Yes.
Like Ding Dong Dantes. Like, sobrang professional niyang mga yan. Like, when you say na magkikita kayo for an interview at 9 o'clock,
Ay, sorry.
nandun sila ng 9 o'clock. Si Barbie would be there 8 o'clock.
Parang may
Si
tinamaan.
Wait, uy, si...
Cheska,
Uy,
Sorry,
9,
sorry,
10.
sorry, sorry naman.
10. 10 yun. 10 yun.
We're talking about yung yung time pa lang in terms of yung other aspects, yung
Gens.
how they conduct the interview. Yun. Surprisingly, yung mga veterano, yung mga you know, 'di ba, the top tier na artista, sila pa yung alam nila yung gagawin nila. Parang ganon, na hindi yung ano tatanong mo?
Yeah.
So, yun.
Magaling din sumagot din eh.
Oo,
Maganda
magaling
yung
din.
pagkas-
Kumbaga, hinasa na rin sila. Tsaka na-develop na nila yung that professional thing na I'm going to approach this in such a way na professional yung dating ko. Hindi lang sa TV, kundi pati sa mag-i-interview sa akin.
Yeah.
So,
That's
yun.
why they're successful.
Tsaka yung mga pwede nilang i-share, no, na hindi masyadong out there, TMI, at hindi din ganun ka exclusive.
Yes.
Like, alam mo yun, hindi masyadong tago.
Speaking of
Sakto
sagot,
lang.
sa top 3 mo naman, Sir Nelson, sino mga magagaling sumagot sa interviews?
Magaling. So, oh my, Barbie Fortesa.
Barbie!
Oh my gosh.
Mare ko
Barbie. Like parang, ano yan eh, you have to be on your toes pag sumagot ka kasi ang bilis ng utak ni Barbie. It's always, pag yung naglalag ka, gumaganon yan. Meron siyang dating na, parang alam ko na yung sagot eh, ba't di mo patapos yung tanong? So may ganun siya. So parang pag in-interview mo siya, in fact, may mga interviews ako sa kanya na yung kahit na matagal na ako, meron pa akong kaba in a way.
Oh, wow.
Na parang, that is why I love Barbie so much
Yeah.
as an interviewee. Kasi talagang alam niya kung ano yung sasagot niya na parang you don't need to filter. She knows how to answer everything.
Tsaka, napaka mabuting tao.
Oh,
yes.
Barbie.
Bait.
Mabuting tao talaga.
I share ko lang like nobody notices this. During the pandemic, I developed this anxiety thing, this panic attack thing. And in one of our interviews recently lang to. And ito, I know how to control kasi may panic attacks already. Kahit na during the interview, nagkakaroon minsan ako ng panic attack na alam ni chef kung paano siya gaganon na parang, oh, you're okay, you're in a safe space.
Yeah.
Pag hindi ko kasama si chef, tinatry ko i-control. And in one of my interviews in the studio, ini-interview ko si Barbie. And gumanon siya talaga on parang, are you okay? Parang, and I really appreciated that. Na parang, naramdaman mo,
Yeah.
nakita mo, oh my God, I'm seen. Yung parang yun lang naman yung ano ko na parang somebody na makakakita or that I'm not alone.
Yeah.
And dun ko, kaya ever since naging safe space ko si Barbie,
Oh, yeah.
every time parang naging personal na yung yung tingin ko sa kanya.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, parang, oh my God, kahit anong gawin mo, saludo ko sa'yo.
Yeah.
She
Supportan
really
kita.
is so
Nice.
smart.
Yeah.
And she's so smart.
Tsaka siya, every time, share ko lang din, that every time when we see, hindi naman kami ganyan talaga ka-close as in personal level. Pero as in, parang alam niya kung ano yung nangyari sa akin. She would be like, oh, kamusta ka? I'd be like, pero alam niya kung saan siya nanggagaling
And
sa
she's
tanong
so
na yun.
sincere
Yes.
all the time.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbs.
Hi po.
Marian also, like parang when she
I
shows
love
concern.
Marian.
Lika dito. Oh,
Yeah.
may ganun siya. So parang ramdam mo na sincere talaga yung ipapakita niyo. Si Alden, parang when pag nagbubulungan kayo, alam mong sincere yung sinasabi niya.
Yeah.
So, yun, heart.
Yeah.
Heart is one also.
Yeah. Grabe, no?
Si Alden, yeah.
Oh, eto, parang ang haba na ng chikahan
Sobra,
natin.
isa sa pinaka-favorite yung
4 hours na ba to?
Ay, ako din.
Are we
My
ending
favorite
na?
episode.
I have a final question. Can I ask my final question?
Go.
This is just more about you. Like
Me?
after all these years of covering other people's lives, what has this work taught you about your own?
Every day, lahat ng conversations ko, kasi majority naman ng usap ko sa mga artista eh. Kaya, I mean, kahit sabihin yung, hindi mo naman kaibigan yan eh. Hindi, nagiging kaibigan ko na talaga yung mga artista. Kasi, I share a certain part of my life. And in that same manner, di ba, you share a certain part of my life.
Yeah.
Like, katulad mo, di ba, alam ko yung kung ano yung mga dogs na gusto mo. Yung parang nagkakaroon kayo ng connection na hindi mo madidiscount yun eh. And I really treasure that. I really value that. And ang dami kong natututunan na naa-apply ko sa totoong buhay ko. And needless to say, yung mga artistang nakausap ko everyday were the ones who grew me over the years. And I will not say I'm perfect, pero sila yung nagpo-push sa akin. Kasi kahit sabihin yung artista sila, they're all glammed up, they're all, ang taas-taas nila. They're real people eh.
Yeah.
They're as real as they can get. Like pag yung kinausap mo sila, alam mong tao yung kausap mo.
Yes.
Kasi I know some of the fans, ang tingin sa kanila parang, uy, ang taas-taas. Uy, parang perfect. Ganyan. Pero hindi. Yung nakikita ko kasi, yung mga imperfections ng artista. And that is what matters to me.
Di ba? Ang ganda lang nun. It's all about, just really true connection, even in the most chaotic industry.
Yes.
I wouldn't say it's chaotic.
Um,
There are more chaotic industries than our
Yeah, pero
industry.
medyo may
But
noise.
we're beautiful people.
Yeah! Yes,
Really beautiful
importante
people.
yun.
Yeah.
Ayun na nga. Naku, maraming salamat. Of course, Sir
this.
Nelson.
Thank you
Of
so
course,
much.
Chef
Thank you very
Miggy.
much.
Oo, grabe. Favorite episode ko to
Like,
so
honestly,
far.
for real.
To start
Oo.
2026.
Yeah, I know.
Ito
We talked about
pinaka-memorable.
love, about showbiz, our work, and everything, career natin. May gusto po ba kayong i-promote?
First of all, thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys, for this opportunity.
Thank you for having us here.
Na-triggered ako ng sobra-sobra this afternoon. Sobrang dami.
Oh, hindi mo nga napigilan, pati yung love
But
life.
sobrang happy ako. And thank you for this opportunity to share to your audience what we do here at Palm Grill. Palm Grill, we serve authentic Southern Mindanaoan cuisine, Filipino cuisine that's specialty. It's here in Quezon City, in Tomas Morato. We have a mall branch at the Gateway Mall 2, and we're opening this year at the NAIA Terminal 3. Yeah, so it will become
Slay!
accessible to many more tourists and Filipinos and whatnot coming in and out of the country. Ayun, so my social media pages, kailangan ko ba bang sabihin yun?
Yeah.
Well, for Palm Grill, Facebook, Instagram, Palm Grill PH. For my personal, Chef Miggy Moreno. Yeah, so, yeah, if you want to chat, talk, watch what I am doing, follow me. I'm not a celebrity, but feel free to do so. I'm here to help. Yeah.
Siya na lang i-follow nyo. Alam nyo naman kung saan ako
Love it.
makikita.
Yeah!
And I just want to say, guys, the world is so big. Mag-explore kayo. Pumunta kayo dito sa Palm Grill.
Yes!
Pagkain dito na hindi nyo pa natitikman kahit Pilipino kayo.
Yes, thank you.
Kaya catch us every Friday, 7 p.m. dito sa YouTube channel ng Trigger, ng Adventure Taste a Moment. You can also follow us on Audible, Spotify, and our official Facebook account. At syempre, sa TikTok namin, magti-TikTok kami nila, Sir Nelson. Ayan, follow nyo, like, ayan, comment, and share na rin. And, eto, every Sunday pala, Kapuso Streams, 3 p.m. Nandun din po kami. Kaya kita-kits tayo on the next episode. This has been
Triggered!
Woo!